Bonjour and welcome on the channel Trip Vlog. Are you ready for a virtual trip to the most romantic city in the world? Paris is the city of love, art, and culture, so today we have an incredible adventure in store for you. We'll be exploring top breathtaking places in the heart of Paris, the French capital. So, let's embark on a journey to discover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Paris truly unforgettable. Louvre Museum. The Louvre Museum, a world-famous cultural institution located in the heart of Paris. With its rich history, extensive art collections, and iconic glass pyramid, the Louvre is a must-visit destination for art lovers and history enthusiasts from all over the world. The Louvre is home to a vast collection of artworks, spanning over 9,000 years of history. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to Renaissance masterpieces, the Louvre boasts an impressive collection that includes some of the most renowned artworks in the world. One of the must-see pieces is undoubtedly the enigmatic Mona Lisa, painted by Leonardo da Vinci, which draws millions of visitors each year with its mysterious smile. Another highlight is the Winged Victory of Samothrace, a stunning marble sculpture of Nike, the Greek goddess of victory, known for its dynamic and breathtaking beauty. With so much to see, navigating the Louvre can be overwhelming. But fear not. Here are some tips to make the most of your visit. First, plan ahead and purchase your tickets online to avoid waiting in line. The Louvre can get crowded, especially during peak tourist seasons, so having your tickets in advance can save you precious time. Once inside, it's important to have a plan. The Louvre is massive, with over 60,000 square meters of exhibition space, so it's essential to prioritize what you want to see. You can follow the museum's recommended routes that highlight its most famous masterpieces or create your own itinerary based on your interests. It's also a good idea to grab a map or use a museum app to help you navigate through the vast halls and galleries. Notre-Dame Cathedral. The Notre-Dame Cathedral, a true masterpiece of Gothic architecture and one of the most famous landmarks in Paris. This iconic cathedral has a rich history, captivating visitors with its grandeur and significance for centuries. Notre-Dame Cathedral has a storied past that dates back to the 12th century. It took nearly 200 years to complete its construction, and its intricate details and breathtaking stained glass windows have been admired by millions of visitors over the years. This cathedral has witnessed numerous historic events, including the coronation of Napoleon Bonaparte and the beatification of Joan of Arc. Notre-Dame Cathedral has also captured the imagination of people through literature and popular culture, most notably through Victor Hugo's novel The Hunchback of Notre-Dame. The story of Quasimodo, the hunchbacked bell ringer, and his unrequited love for Esmeralda has become a legendary tale associated with the cathedral, adding to its allure and mystique. However, in 2019, Notre-Dame Cathedral suffered a devastating fire that caused significant damage to its roof and spire. The incident shocked the world, but since then, extensive restoration efforts have been underway to restore this iconic landmark to its former glory. Access to Notre-Dame Cathedral may be limited due to the ongoing restoration efforts. However, visitors can still appreciate the exterior of the cathedral and its stunning architecture from the outside. It's worth checking the latest updates and guidelines before planning a visit to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Seine River Cruise. The Seine River, a majestic river that flows through the heart of Paris. Known for its beauty and historic significance, the Seine River has been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and lovers for centuries. Today, we will be exploring the option of taking a Seine River cruise to admire the city's landmarks from a unique perspective. A Seine River cruise is a fantastic way to experience the magic of Paris from the water. Cruising along the Seine River allows you to take in the breathtaking views of the city's iconic landmarks, such as the Eiffel Tower, Notre-Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum, among many others. The gently flowing river offers a peaceful and scenic journey, allowing you to see the city from a different angle and capture stunning photos. There are various types of Seine River cruises available, ranging from classic sightseeing cruises to romantic dinner cruises and even themed cruises such as wine tasting or jazz cruises. Some cruises may also offer guided commentary, providing interesting facts and stories about the landmarks along the way. You can choose from different durations, ranging from an hour-long cruise to longer excursions, depending on your preferences and schedule. Champs-Élysées. The world-famous Champs-Élysées, one of the most iconic avenues in Paris. Known for its luxurious shops, historic theaters, and elegant cafes, Champs-Élysées is a must-visit destination for tourists and locals alike. Today, we will be exploring the history, significance, and highlights of this cultural and commercial hub. The Champs-Élysées is steeped in history and has been a prominent landmark in Paris for centuries. It has served as a focal point for various cultural events, parades, and celebrations throughout the city's history. This iconic avenue has been a symbol of prestige and luxury, with high-end fashion boutiques, flagship stores of renowned brands, and upscale restaurants lining its wide sidewalks. While strolling along Champs-Élysées, you can explore notable landmarks such as the iconic Arc de Triomphe, which stands tall at the western end of the avenue and offers panoramic views of the city. You can also enjoy a leisurely walk along the tree-lined sidewalks, savoring the ambience and architecture of the buildings. Champs-Élysées is also a shopper's paradise, with a wide range of luxury shops, department stores, and specialty boutiques offering fashion, beauty, and gourmet products. Additionally, there are numerous cafes and restaurants where you can indulge in delicious French cuisine or simply relax and people watch. Montmartre. The Montmartre, a bohemian neighborhood nestled on a hilltop in Paris. Known for its artistic history, charming streets, and breathtaking views, Montmartre is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a unique and vibrant experience in the City of Lights. One of the highlights of Montmartre is the iconic Sacré-Coeur Basilica, a stunning white church that sits atop the hill and offers panoramic views of Paris. The Place du Tertre is another must-visit spot, known for its bustling artist square where local artists showcase their works and create unique portraits. And of course, no visit to Montmartre is complete without a glimpse of the famous Moulin Rouge, the legendary cabaret that has been a symbol of Parisian nightlife for over a century. Wandering through the narrow cobbled streets of Montmartre is a treat in itself. The neighborhood is filled with charming cafes, quaint boutiques, and hidden squares that exude a bohemian vibe. Don't miss the chance to indulge in some local cuisine, such as delicious French pastries or a traditional Parisian bistro. Exploring the hidden gems of Montmartre, such as the vineyard of Clos Montmartre or the historic Abbesses neighborhood, can reveal the lesser-known but equally enchanting aspects of this unique neighborhood. Palace of Versailles. The magnificent Palace of Versailles, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located just outside of Paris. This opulent palace is a testament to the grandeur and extravagance of French royalty and is a must-visit destination for history and architecture enthusiasts. Today, we will be exploring the history, architecture, and must-see attractions of this iconic landmark. The Palace of Versailles holds a rich history as a former royal residence and a symbol of the French monarchy's power and wealth. Built in the 17th century, the palace boasts impressive architecture, lavish interiors, and extensive gardens designed by famed landscape architect André Lenotre. The palace has witnessed significant historical events and played a crucial role in shaping French history. making it a significant cultural landmark. Visiting the Palace of Versailles is an awe-inspiring experience. There are various ticket options available, ranging from basic admission to guided tours, audio guides, and exclusive access to certain areas. Must-see attractions within the palace grounds include the breathtaking Hall of Mirrors, the royal apartments, and the stunning gardens with fountains, sculptures, and groves. The gardens alone cover over 800 hectares, offering a vast expanse of beauty to explore. Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower, the epitome of Parisian charm and one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Standing tall at 330 meters, this iron lattice tower has become synonymous with the city of Paris and holds a special place in the hearts of locals and tourists alike. Built by the renowned engineer Gustave Eiffel in 1889, the Eiffel Tower was initially intended as a temporary structure for the Exposition Universelle, a World's Fair held in Paris to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. However, its grandeur and unique design captivated the world, and it was allowed to remain standing even after the exposition ended. Today, the Eiffel Tower is not only a symbol of Paris but also an iconic symbol of France, representing the country's history, culture, and innovation. With its breathtaking views of the city and its intricate ironwork, it's no wonder that millions of visitors flock to the Eiffel Tower each year to witness its grandeur in person. Now, if you're planning a visit to the Eiffel Tower, here are some tips to make the most of your experience. First, timing is key. To avoid long lines and crowds, consider visiting early in the morning or late in the evening. The Eiffel Tower is open until late at night, and seeing it lit up against the Parisian sky is truly magical. Another tip is to purchase your tickets in advance to save time and skip the long queues. You can book tickets online or at the ticket office nearby. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even take the stairs instead of the elevator, which not only saves you time but also offers a unique perspective of the tower as you ascend. Of course, a visit to the Eiffel Tower wouldn't be complete without witnessing its dazzling lights. Every evening, the Eiffel Tower comes alive with a mesmerizing light show, where thousands of sparkling lights illuminate the tower, creating a truly magical spectacle. It's a sight you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of some of the top amazing places to explore in the French capital, Paris. We hope this video has inspired you to plan your next adventure to Paris and explore these incredible landmarks and neighborhoods. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content.